Hello, this is Dan Alford with Arc Specialties. If you follow us, you know that one of my favorite welding processes is submerged arc welding. Submerged arc is a 100-year-old welding process, but it's remarkable in that it has some of the highest deposition, no visible arc light, no smoke, and extremely high quality welds which are completely free of oxides. So what's not to love? The problem is with submerged arc welding, you need to have a flux blanket over your weld, which means you're generally limited to the flat position. So this project that we're showing off today is a perfect example of a project that would benefit from sub-arc welding if we had advanced motion control, which is exactly how we tackle this project. So without advanced motion control, you could simply sub-arc the long seams and possibly the round seams on this joint, but you couldn't do the corners. So that would mean you'd end up making 8 different welds to weld this part out. But if you apply advanced motion control and allow the robot to follow this complex seam in real time, we're able to weld the entire joint without stops and starts using submerged arc welding. So this is what we call the Arc 6 robot. It's built right here in Houston, Texas, and we interface it with a 2-axis Kawiki Aronson positioner. What we do is we retrofit the Kawiki with servo motors, so that way we have complete coordinated control between the robot and the sub-arc. We're using a flux pump to pump the flux in, and we're using a high current power supply, and we're depositing nearly 20 pounds an hour and welding continuously to weld out this part. Once again, I said that submerged arc welding is a great process, but you have to combine it with advanced motion control to weld complex parts. If you think one of your parts might benefit from this process and this approach, give us a call. Arc Specialties thrives on problems. Send us yours.